April 10th, 1912, Southampton, England. Workers release the final mooring lines as RMS Titanic begins its maiden voyage. Crowds wave from the dock while the ship steams toward the Atlantic. 4 days later, an iceberg tears open the starboard hull. Within the hour, distress signals race across the sea because nearby ships are too far away. By dawn, Titanic has vanished beneath the waves, leaving unanswered questions about confidence, technology, and human judgment.
This took one prompt.
Hey, welcome back to Westdev's channel. Creating high-quality documentaries usually take days of researching, writing, generating images, and editing. But today, we are completely changing the game. I'm going to show you how to create stunning Fox-style documentary animations using exactly one master prompt. This workflow is completely automated, 100% free, and lists 0 watermarks on your final video. In this complete guide, I will walk you through the whole process from start to the finish. You will learn how to generate a full script instantly, get a professional voice in ElevenLabs, and also auto-generate all your visual assets in bulk. Then I'll show you the secrets to removing the watermark and how to edit the whole team in CapCorps. And the best part, you can do this entire workflow on your desktop or right from your mobile phone. I have included all the tools and my exact master prompts in the description to this video. So you can just copy the exact steps. If you're not subscribed yet this channel, please kindly subscribe, and don't forget to like and share this video to anyone you feel might be of help to. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Today, I'm going to show you how to create professional Vox-style documentary animations using just one master prompt. Before we start, take a look at this. April 15th, 1912, North Atlantic Ocean. Violet Jessup stepped into Lifeboat 16 as RMS Titanic settled lower into the freezing sea. Crew members lowered the boat while rockets burst overhead. By morning, the survivors drifted among scattered wreckage. Because of this, the rescue ship Carpathia found them alive. That's exactly the kind of video you'll be able to make by the end of this tutorial in any niche you want, whether it's history, true crime, cold cases, or disaster and survival. And you'll do all of it with a single master prompt. You'll find that prompt completely free in the video description. So let's get straight into it. Simply copy the entire prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it, and type execute. The AI will initialize the workflow and then ask you to continue. Type next. Now it will ask you which documentary niche you want to create. You'll get multiple categories like history, true crime, cold cases, disaster and survival, and many more. Choose whichever niche you want. For this tutorial, I'm selecting history. Once selected, ChatGPT will generate multiple highly clickable video ideas. Pick the one you like the most. If none of them stand out, simply ask it to generate more. I'll choose how the Titanic disaster unfolded next. Next, ChatGPT asks for your video length. I'll enter 30 seconds for this demonstration. It instantly writes the complete documentary script. Now, return to ChatGPT and type continue. It automatically breaks your narration into perfectly timed scenes, also called beats. Type continue once more. Now ChatGPT generates detailed image prompts for every single scene. Instead of generating these images one by one, we're going to automate the whole thing using our TryAIToday Flow Automator. This is a browser extension we built that connects directly to Google Flow and generates all your images and videos automatically, in a queue, without you touching a single button. And it's basically free to use. You get 30 credits every single day on the free trial, which is more than enough to make a 30-second video like this one. And if you want unlimited lifetime access, it's just a one-time payment of $7. No subscriptions, no monthly fees. And if you're on mobile, don't worry, you're not left out. Just use the Quetta application to run this extension and you can automate the entire Vox-style video right from your phone. There's one more thing this extension does that's a game changer. Normally, when you generate images in Flow, they come with a watermark. And if you animate them, that watermark gets baked into your final video, making it look obviously AI generated. Our Flow Automator automatically removes that watermark from both your images and your videos, so you don't have to worry about it at all. So here's what we do. Take all the image prompts ChatGPT generated, paste them into the extension, and start the queue. While the extension is generating all your images in the background, let's not waste that time. We'll create the voiceover in parallel. Copy the script and open ElevenLabs. You don't need a paid plan for this. ElevenLabs gives you around 10,000 free credits every single month, and for a 30-second documentary, that's more than enough. Paste your script, choose any voice you like. I'm using Liam, and click Generate Speech, download the voiceover. By now, the extension has already started downloading your images. The images are generated and downloaded. Let's open it and take a look. Notice there's no watermark. It's completely clean. Now just let the queue run until every image in your documentary is generated. Once the queue is complete, it's recommended to upload all of your generated images into Google Flow. This lets us use them for the video step. Now return to ChatGPT and type continue one more time. It gives you the universal animation prompt. This single prompt will animate every image in your documentary. Copy it. Go to the Video tab inside the Flow Automator. Now, paste the universal animation prompt. Since we're using the same prompt for every image, you'll need to paste it as many times as you have images, each one separated by a blank line. So, if you have 8 images, paste the prompt 8 times with a blank line between each. Then click Load. Once the prompts are loaded, turn on the different Each Prompt option and attach the matching image to each prompt. Once every prompt has its image assigned, start the queue. The extension now creates each video and automatically downloads it after removing the watermark. Let's check the first clip. And see, there's no watermark. It's completely removed from the video as well. Now just let the queue run until all your video clips are ready. Now it's time to edit everything together in CapCut. Import all your generated clips in sequence, then import your voiceover. Return to the ChatGPT beats. Each beat tells you exactly which narration belongs to which scene. Play the voiceover and line up each clip with its matching narration until the entire documentary is synchronized. April 10th, 1912, Southampton, England. Workers release the final mooring lines as RMS Titanic begins its maiden voyage. Crowds wave from the dock while the ship steams toward the Atlantic. 4 days later, an iceberg tears open the starboard hull. Within the hour, distress signals race across the sea because nearby ships are too far away. By dawn, Titanic has vanished beneath the waves, leaving unanswered questions about confidence, technology, and human judgment. And that's it. Using this single workflow and a single master prompt, you can create unlimited Vox-style documentaries in virtually any niche. Now, it's your turn. Pick your niche, generate your first documentary, and start building your channel.